Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue chapter 6 algebraic expressions, in which our today's exercise is exercise 6D. In previous online class we have already done up to question 7th. Now question 8th. Raju spends rupees 3x plus 4y on a book and rupees 7x minus 8y on a shirt. How much does he spend in all? So Raju spent on shirt, on book, on a book equals to rupees 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. Raju spent on a shirt equals to rupees 7x minus 8y. 7x minus 8y. So how much does he spend in all? Therefore, Raju spends in all equals to their sum 3x plus 4y plus 7x minus 8y. So open the brackets, 3x plus 4y. Since there is positive sign, so there is no change in second bracket. So collect the like term 3x plus 7x, 4y minus 8y. So 3x plus 7x 10x, 4y minus 8y it is minus 4y. So in all he spent 10x minus 4y rupees. Clear, student? Now question 9. Three sides of a triangle are given. What is its perimeter? So student, perimeter of triangle is sum of all the three sides. Sum of all the three sides. And in question, all three sides are given. So perimeter equals to sum of all three sides. And in this manner, you will get perimeter of triangle. Question 10. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 3x plus y, 5x plus 2y, and 3x minus y. Again, three sides are given. So on adding all these three sides, we will get the perimeter of the triangle. So student, I will solve question 9 and question 10 is in homework. Question 10 is in homework. Three sides of a triangle. So in triangle ABC, AB, BC and CA are given. All the three sides are given. So AB is given 2x square plus 3x plus 1. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. BC is given x square plus 7. X square plus 7. And CA is given 3x square minus 2x plus 3. 3x square minus 2x plus 3. Therefore, perimeter of triangle is equals to AB plus BC plus CA. It means sum of all the sides. So we write 2x square plus 3x plus 1 in first bracket, x square plus 7 in second bracket, and in third bracket we write 3x square minus 2x plus 3. 3x square minus 2x plus 3. Now open the brackets. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 plus x square plus 7 plus 3x square minus 2x plus 3. Now collect the like terms 2x square plus x square plus 3x square. They are like terms. Now collect x, 3x minus 2x. Now collect constant term plus 1 plus 7 plus 3. Plus 1 plus 7 and plus 3. So the final answer is 2x square plus x square, 3x square, 3x square plus 3x square, 6x square. 3x minus 2x, that is x. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So this is the final answer. So this is the perimeter of given triangle. Now question 11. Sonu travelled p square plus 3p plus 5 km by bus and 2p square minus 5p minus 7 km by train. What is the total distance travelled by Sonu? So student, this is simple case of addition. So you write Sonu travelled by bus equals to given distance, Sonu travelled by train equals to given distance. Therefore total distance covered equals to sum of both the expressions. Question 12. The sides of a rectangle are this and this, find its perimeter. Solution 12. In rectangle ABCD, let us suppose rectangle is ABCD, because in rectangle there are 4 sides, and as you know, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So we write AB is equals to CD equals to length, and length is given 3x plus y. 3x plus y. This is length. This is length. And breadth BC is equal to AD equals to 7x plus 2y. 7x plus 2y. So student, this is your breadth. Therefore perimeter of rectangle. Therefore perimeter of rectangle ABCD. And as you know, rectangle perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So we write 2 into length. Length is given 3x plus y, and breadth is given 7x plus 2y. 3x plus y and breadth is given 7x plus 2y. Now collect the like terms. So we write 3x plus 7x, y plus 2y. So 3x plus 7x 10x, y plus 2y 3y. Now we multiply. This is monomial, this is binomial. So monomial into binomial is again binomial. 2 into 10 20x plus 2 3 is 6 6y. So this is the required perimeter of rectangle ABC. Clear student? This is a rectangle. So rectangle is this ABC, and these two sides are equal. This is length, and that two sides are equal. This is breadth. 2 into L plus B. Clear student? If you want, then you can also solve by perimeter of rectangle ABCD equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. It means sum of all the 4 sides, and write that 3x plus y plus 7x plus 2y plus 3x plus y plus 7x plus 2y. By simple adding all the sides, you will get the perimeter of rectangle. In question 13, side of a square is given. Find its perimeter. So student, perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So we simply multiply the given side by 4, and you will get the perimeter of square. Question 14. One side of an equilateral triangle is this. Find its perimeter. Question number 14. In equilateral triangle ABCD. In equilateral triangle ABC. So student, what is equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the sides are equal. It means AB equals to BC equals to CA. All the 3 sides are equal, and side is given 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y meter. Therefore perimeter of equilateral triangle. Therefore perimeter of equilateral triangle ABC equals to AB plus BC plus AC. AC or CA both are equal. Since all the 3 sides are equal, so we also write 3 into side. 3 into side. Since all the sides are equal, so we also write 3 into side. So 3 into 3x plus 4. So 9x plus 12y meter. So this is the perimeter of equilateral triangle ABC. Clear student? AB plus BC plus AC equals to 3 into side. Why? Because all the three sides are equal. You also solve this in this manner. AB is 3x plus 4y, BC is again 3x plus 4y, and AC is again 3x plus 4y. 9x plus 2m. You again get the same answer. A wire is 7x minus 3 meter long. A length of 3x plus 4 meter wire is to cut out of it for use. How much wire is left? Clear? Total length of wire is given, and it is also given that the amount of wire that should be cut for any use. So how much wire is left? It means it is a simple case of subtraction. It is a simple case of total length of wire is given. This is 7x minus 3 meter. 7x minus 3 meter. So this is total length of wire. And then a length of 3x plus 4 meter is cut out of it for use. So cut wire for use equals to 3x plus 4 meter. 3x plus 4 meter. We also write part of wire. The part of wire that is cut. That is cut. The part of wire that is cut equals to 3x plus 4 meter. Therefore, how much wire is left? Therefore, the wire is left equals to length of total wire minus used wire. Length of total wire minus used wire or cut wire. Now open the bracket. 7x minus 3 minus 3x minus 4. Now collect the like terms. 7x minus 3x minus 3 minus 4. 7x minus 3x, that is 4x, minus 3 minus 4, that is 7. So this is the length of wire that is left. So Rohan had money. Solution system. Rohan had money equals to rupees 17x square plus 4x minus 3. Got it? He spent 8x square minus 7x minus 9 for birthday. So he spent for his birthday equals to rupees 8x square minus 7x minus 9. 8x square minus 7x minus 9. He spent for his birthday party. 8 square minus 7 minus 9. How much money is left with him? Therefore, money had left with him. How much money is left with him? So money has left with him. Money has left with him. So total money, it means 7x square plus 4x minus 3 minus spend money, 8x square minus 7x minus 9. Now open the brackets. 17x square plus 4x minus 3 minus 8x square minus minus plus 7x minus minus plus 9. Now collect the like terms. 17x square minus 8x square, 4x plus 7x, 4x plus 7x minus 3 plus 9, minus 3 plus 9. So 17 minus 8, 9x square, 4 plus 7, 11x, minus 3 plus 9, 6. So this is the remaining amount. Money as left with him equals to rupees 9x square plus 11x plus 6 rupees.